Hello. Hi Andy, how are you? So this episode we're going to do the beautiful Banarasi sarees and many more. So ma'am, I'm wearing a beautiful red Banarasi saree. Amaradipti ma'am, spin wheel is there today for you guys. Sri Lakshmi Garu, hi. Hi. Good evening and good morning to all my clients. We are going to have the beautiful Banarasi Georgettes. Yesterday people have asked me. Pure Kora Organza Banarasi. Ma'am, నిన్నటివైతే అన్ని సేల్ అయిపోయాయి, కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. Put that Nana, put it on that. నేను వేసుకుని కూడా చూపించాను, కొంచెం బెండ్ చేయది క్యాప్ అక్కడ చూడు. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐమ్ వేరింగ్ అండి, ప్యూర్ రెడ్ బనారసి జార్జెట్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. భువనేశ్వరి మ్యామ్ హాయ్, సుధా మ్యామ్ హాయ్, వెంకట్ రెడ్డి గారు హాయ్. So this live we are going to do the beautiful Banarasi Georgettes as well as tussars andi. A lot of people have been asking me for the tussar sarees. Namita ma'am hi. Priyanka hi. So I'm just trying to read the comments andi. Nice sari, thank you ma'am, thank you so much. So we have plenty of collections like this. This is just 11,500. So we have plenty of collections like this. This is just Kanchi lehengas price. I'll show you. Banarasi Georgette and Khatti Georgette same. Khatti Georgettes are different, ma'am, and Banarasi Georgettes are different. Khatti ante the weaving technique, what you get it in that, ma'am. ఒక్కొక్క సారీ ఒక్కొక్క టెక్నిక్లో ఉంటుంది. కొంచెం దగ్గరికి so that I can read comments. Hi Sashi Garu, could you please show me the pure Kanchi lehengas? Yes ma'am, I will show you guys, ma'am. Please suggest one for my marriage day, Shashi, in Banaras. ఎప్పుడుంది మ్యామ్? దీప్తి మ్యామ్ ఎప్పుడుంది? వెన్ ఇస్ యువర్ మ్యారేజ్ డే? Hello from New Zealand. How does it take for shipments? Ma'am, depends on the pin code and everything. Generally, maybe 3 to 4 days, ma'am. I don't know. But I'll check it out, ma'am, surely. Can you arrange sarees in Warangal also? Definitely, ma'am. You guys can buy and we can ship it to your address. Yeah, the saree what I'm wearing is a pure red color saree and it's very beautiful, ma'am. See? It's a beautiful red Banarasi Georgette. And this is how the pallu is. This is just 11,500 andi. 11,500. Coming in September. Okay. Ma'am, which elantidi kavali meeku saree? Which style, if you can let me know, I'll help you out. So I'm going to show you the beautiful Banarasi Georgettes. Whoever would love to buy, please take a screenshot and send it on 994904 7889. Adi koncham ittu pettu light. I'm just waiting for people to join us. Desi attire, thanks T. Okay. What is the height of Banaras sarees? I'm 5.9. మ్యామ్ మోస్ట్లీ వస్తాయి. ఒకవేళ మీకు సరిపోకపోయినా ఒక స్ట్రిప్ ఆఫ్ రెడ్ వేస్తే సరిపోద్ది, కుర్చీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది కాబట్టి ఐ థింక్ దాట్ షుడ్ బి ఫైన్. అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫినిష్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ ఆల్సో. దిస్ ఇస్ 11,500 అండి. Beautiful saree. It's 11,500 and this is how the entire design on the saree. My necklace is nice, thank you. I got it made very simple version it is. See, it's like it's a ruby in center and it's surrounded by diamonds. And this is the drops which are there on the neck piece. This is how it is. These are all of the diamond drops. These are very simple and a classy neck piece, ma'am, and this is a changeable one. And coming to the earrings, these are the earrings, ma'am. Pretty simple diamond with all these chutki. And you have to see my piercing. I love my piercing. See this one? So that's how it is. Coming to the look, I maintained a very simple look, Kandi. Because it's a very simple sari. I wanted to look simple. That's the look I'm carrying. And this is the sari. If you can see it little close, this is how it is, Andi. Beautiful red Banarasi Georgette sari with a Paithani style of border. This is the border. So, blouse bhi hai, ma'am. You have a blouse also in this. This is not hand woven, ma'am. Hand woven, you'll get it about 20,000, ma'am. About 20,000, you get hand woven saris. And please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Comments to Pinakan Patla. Beautiful necklace. Thank you, ma'am. And this sari, there's another sari in this. It's a brown. It's a dark coffee brown, ma'am. It's a dark coffee brown. You see, it's a Banarasi Georgette. Archana Mamiri garu, hi. Lata ma'am, hi. Good evening. So very nice sari, Andi. It's a brown Banarasi Georgette. 10,999, ma'am. The price of this sari is 10,999. You see the border? And this is a coffee brown sari. Very beautiful it is. Manchi coffee brown, and this is the pallu. This is how the pallu is, Andi. Excellent sari with this pallu. And you have a running blouse in this. Ma'am, I hope the video clarity is good. If not, just let me know, ma'am, so that I'll do the necessary corrections. This is a brown Banarasi Georgette. 10,500. So 10,999 this is. 10,999. Please take a screenshot and send it to us, Andi. Let me show you the blouse piece also. Show the blouse piece. This is the blouse, ma'am. And this is the blouse piece, ma'am. Clear, okay. 10,999. It's a brown Banarasi Georgette with a beautiful fall and a feel, ma'am. This is how it is. Don't miss this sari. Very nice sari it is. Okay, Namita ma'am, thank you. I just wanted to check it out. The brown is 10,999 and the one I'm wearing is 11,500, ma'am. It's 11,500. This is a light yellow sari, ma'am. Very light color yellow sari. Picture में थोड़ा light आ रहा आपको, मगर directly बहुत dark है ये color. And इसको पूरा work blouse आया साथ. It's a lemon yellow. This is a lemon yellow sari with work blouse completely. Teesi banana. Beautiful lemon yellow sari, Andi. And this is the blouse. Completely work blouse it is. Beautiful sari with handmade work. This is the sleeve part. 11,500. Lovely Banarasi Georgette it is. And the pallu is also nice with lace. Next one, please. Yeah, the sari I'm wearing has a lace, ma'am. See, छोटी सी लेस आया हुआ है उसको. दोनों तरफ लेस, छोटी सी लेस, ma'am, so that you get the proper finish of the sari. Next, I'll be showing you this green. This is a green Banarasi Georgette, ma'am. This is a green Banarasi Georgette. 8,500, ma'am. This is 8,500. Aruna Kanti, ma'am. Hi, good evening. This is the pallu. 8,500, ma'am. This is. Next, we have one more red Banarasi Georgette. This is also 8,500. Very beautiful sari. Very nice, ma'am. This is, see the Banarasi border and everything. It looks so beautiful. And this is the pallu. This is also 8,500, ma'am. Sirisha, ma'am, thank you. Hello, Shashi Gauri. Your necklace is so beautiful. All saris are super. Anushri, ma'am, thank you. Bhavna, ma'am, we have offers, but I'll show you now. Little chota, I'll show you, ma'am. So this is 8,500. Next, I have one more yellow sari. Must smart hai wo. This is 10,999. 10,999, ma'am. This is a mango yellow, ma'am. I don't know, the color is a little lighter version on the video. This is lightweight Bhuvaneshwari, ma'am. You can buy this yellow. This is nice. This is a mango yellow, ma'am, not a regular yellow. Pratibha, ma'am, hi. This is the pallu. And you have a running blouse. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette. Go with this blouse. It's very nice. It's 10,999. These all are the pure Banarasi saris with a Paithani one. So let's see the next one, please. Can you show the Bandhani, Kanchi or Bandhani? I have, ma'am. I'll show you. This is one more red color. Beautiful red. I was just debating, should I wear this or that? Okay. Lovely red color. Banarasi Georgette with handmade border. Vasanta, hi. This is the handmade border, ma'am, if you see. It's made in the beads and sequins it is. You see? And this is all a Banarasi Georgette with red color. It's very pretty, ma'am. This is how it is. Lovely Banarasi Georgette. All over the sari you have the running border. And this is the blouse. You have a work blouse. This is the work blouse. Thank you, ma'am. This is a red color blouse. It's beautiful. The price of the sari is 13,500. 13,500, ma'am. This is one more beautiful Banarasi Andi. Sirisha, ma'am, nothing like that. So sweet of you, Sirisha, ma'am. Gunna Raghu garu, hi. So this is a military color. Em color is it? This is a tone of mehendi green, ma'am, but not exact mehendi green. With this border. The price of the sari I'm showing you is 8,500. This is 8,500 only. With a Paithani style of pallu. Pretty sari, ma'am, this is. 8,500. 8,500. This is one more color in the one I'm wearing. It's a lovely wine color, ma'am. Don't miss this. Beautiful wine it is. Excellent Banarasi Georgette. Chala beautiful, ma'am. This is very beautiful sari. It's a wine color Banarasi Georgette. 11,500 it is. This is 11,500. Nice makeup today. Thank you, ma'am. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. And this is the blouse. You can stitch the sleeves. It's 11,500, ma'am. Look at the quality of the fabric and everything. Beautiful sari this is. Very beautiful sari, ma'am, it is. Next. Sandalwood color, yes. This is orangish red. 8,500, ma'am. This is orangish red. 8,500, and on this you have a 30% off. So please avail the 30% off on the sari. 8,500 it is. Anna? Pakan mitkura offers me. This is a green color sari only. This is a green Banarasi Georgette with a small border. The price of this sari is only 5,000 rupees. It is just 5,000. I have a lot of reds today. That's why I wore red sari. This is one more beautiful Banarasi red sari. How beautiful it is, ma'am. 8,500, ma'am. This is also very beautiful red Banarasi Georgette. 8,500. This is the pallu. Very beautiful saris these are. 8,500. Next I have a yellow. Very beautiful yellow Banarasi Georgette. Not Georgette, ma'am. Yellow Banarasi falling material silk. Smart sari, ma'am, with dual tone. Very beautiful sari this is. I love the sari you're wearing. How much it is? Aruna, ma'am, the one I'm wearing is 11,500. See the pallu? This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. It has a Banarasi blouse, ma'am. Color is very bright than the video. The color is actually mango yellow. Perfect mango yellow. With this red color blouse. Reddish pink I can call it. With a Banarasi blouse. 8,500, ma'am. This is also. Oh, next I have a beautiful wine. I'll show tassels also, ma'am. This is a beautiful wine color Georgette. The way they have been designed is really nice, ma'am. Very pretty sari this is. See? Lovely pure wine sari. With this pallu. Beautiful sari, ma'am. Beautiful sari. 11,500, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We do ship to US. All across the globe we ship, ma'am. So please select and take a screenshot and send it to us so that my team would assist you. Beautiful, ma'am. The sari fall and the feel is also very nice. See, pure Banarasi Georgette. The color is wine color. Nana, 11,500. This is one more pink color, ma'am. This is also 11,500. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette. Lovely sari with lovely combinations. This is the pallu. Excellent sari, ma'am. And this is the blouse. 11,500. I showed you a red sari, no, ma'am, with work patti. One more sari in that. 13,500. Which saris, ma'am? 80 grams. Now I'm not showing you the Kanjivarams. Cash on delivery we don't have, ma'am. This is a lovely yellow color sari. Beautiful with completely sequin work all over the sari. Banarasi Georgette, pure Banarasi Georgette. Acha, how many grams in the Georgette? All are 80 grams, ma'am. Only green was less, which was in 5,000 rupees. That was around 60 grams. This is how the work patti is. Beautiful work patti. 13,500, Andy. This is 13,500. Please take a screenshot and send it to 9949047889. Lovely red sari. All reds are beautiful. Don't miss them. 10,999. This one is 10,999. Beautiful saris, ma'am. It's a pure Georgette with complete weaving. This is not print what I'm showing you. It's completely sari has the design intricately made. And this is how the pallu is. Sorry, blouse. This is the blouse. Beautiful red Banarasi Georgette only. 10,999. I have only 3 to 4 Banarasi Georgettes now, Antina. This is one more excellent sari, Banarasi Georgette. Blue, deep navy blue with a pink patching at the back for the finishing. చాలా బాగుంది మ్యామ్ ఇది కూడా. బనారసి జార్జెట్స్ ఇష్టపడే వాళ్ళు గో ఫర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ విత్ ద పల్లు. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ దిస్ ఇస్. And this saree has two blouses ma'am. One is running and the other one is a contrast blouse. This is the running blouse. Okay, this is the running and this is the contrast with work. This is 14,500. This is the work, complete work on the blouse. Kirti ma'am address inti పంపించేస్తా. So this is 14,500 with work blouse andi. The blouse has completely gotapatti work and this is the back. If you want you can stitch this blouse or you can stitch a plain blouse also. ఇందాక చూసారు కదా జార్జెట్ లో ఉండింది, ఇది ఫాలింగ్ సిల్క్ లో ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో 85. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో 8,500. అది కరెక్టే. Beautiful saree, 8,500 ma'am. Lovely dress. It's a rani pink color ma'am, reddish rani pink or reddish pink I can call it. And this is the pallu. It's a pinkish red ma'am, 8,500. Babu. Yeah, this is a nice saree again. Different saree it is. Off-white with a Banarasi design, very elegant ma'am. Bought 6 sarees from Mukta, fabulous fabric. Thank you ma'am. Kartika ma'am, thank you so much for trusting us. This is one more nice saree andi, beautiful saree, off-white, and you have stripes passing on, I mean the design passing on in peachish pink, in yellow and in green. Ila. This is how the saree is. It's a cream color saree and the blouse is Nana. This is the brocade blouse we got for the saree ma'am. So it's a pastel color. People who would love to have something pastel, go with this. And you have nice tassels for the saree also ma'am. 8,550 this is. 8,550. Next I have wine color. Banarasi Georgette. Pure Banarasi Georgette. This is wine color ma'am. In the video it's coming like burgundy but this is wine. 8,500 ma'am. This is Banarasi Georgette with a contrast orange color piping and with a Banarasi self blouse. This is the blouse. Wine color. 8,500. Next. This is a grey color Banarasi saree andi. Very beautiful Banarasi saree it is. Grey color with completely crystals on the border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. It's a completely handmade choti blouse. Price? People who love grey. Ma'am, this is 7,750. 7,750. This is a red color. One more beautiful red Banarasi saree. 14,500 this is. Excellent saree ma'am. You have... Thank you so much. This is a red Banarasi saree andi. You have 2 blouses for this. One is self and one is contrast. When you come live I get tempted. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. This is the pallu and you have a work blouse. That's why it's 14,500. It's my personal jewelry ma'am. So today I did not go out no, so I'm using my personal jewelry. This is the work blouse. No, live I just did a what do you call starting of 5-6 sarees chupichestan ma'am ante. Most of the lives happen in the Facebook only. So this is 14,500. Look at the intricate design of the Banarasi Georgettes. Very beautiful saree this is. The last 2-3 sarees now. This is yellowish green. This is a tissue sari, ma'am. Very nice it is. Beautiful tissue with a work border. You see, ma'am, this is the work border. Banarasi tissue sari. You can wear a contrast blouse or a self blouse according to your requirement. But this sari has a work blouse completely. This is the back neck, ma'am. You see the work? This is the back neck. And this is the sleeve. You can use this for the sleeve. This is a yellow, ma'am. This is not cream. This is yellow. It's nice. Price and the ma'am, this is 16,000 rupees. 16,120. I have one more color. The last sari of this episode, I believe. Bandhani Kanchi and Bandhani Paithani, please need both to complete my collection. Sirisha ma'am, nenu ippudu chupistanu meeku, okay na? This is also beautiful tissue. Okay, thank you. I keep coming to check your entire. So sweet of you. Very elegant neck piece. Bhuneshwari ma'am, thank you. This is a beautiful greyish tissue sari, Banarasi, pure Banaras ma'am. This is lovely sari it is. And it has a work patti. Can you zoom the work patti once? Ma'am, this is the work patti you're seeing. And very nice neck piece. People who want to see little close, this is how it is. It's all diamond hangings, and this is a changeable red or green pendant. And what I'm wearing is red. Koncham chinna cheyalani. This is how the sari is, ma'am. Beautiful it is. With this pallu, handmade work completely on the pallu. And with the work blouse, 16,120, right? 160, I believe.
Yes, 16,160.
Oh, okay. This is the blouse. The last sari andi, 16,120, that is. This is the last red pink color Banarasi sari. This is 7,250, ma'am. This is 7,250. So yeah, we are done with this episode of Banarasi Georgettes. अब ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి బాందినివి? చాలా ఉన్నాయా? 20 or 25? Ma'am, so I'm disconnecting and I'll reconnect with the next look now. In the meanwhile, people, whoever like the sarees, take a screenshot and send it to us on 9949047889. Bye.